am Remlin Villarmino Uyangorin. I am 19 years old of age and I was born on August 25, 1995 at Mampising, Mabini, Kambal Province. And I am the eldest daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ray Uyangorin, and I was studying at University of Mindanao, Tagum College, taking up Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English. And my hobbies are eating, sleeping, listening to music. And I like the color blue, pink, white, and black. And I also love to cook, most especially pansit, adobong manok, minudo, caldereta, and each. And I am the kind of person that I cannot accept my failure. And that's all about myself, and always remember that a mistake is a chance to try harder. God bless us all. Bye!